Welcome. In this video I will show you how to take screenshots on Apple Watch Ultra 3. First of all, you're gonna have to unlock your device and open the list of all applications by pressing the digital crown. Then, using the same digital crown, scroll down your apps list, open settings, and once you are in settings, scroll down to the general section, then open it, and then scroll down until you find the screenshots option. Tap on it, and then to enable screenshots you have to switch this toggle to the right, and once you enable screenshots, in order to take a screenshot on your Apple Watch you have to press the side button and the digital crown at the same time, and this way the screenshot is taken. And now in order to find it, you gotta open the Photos application on your iPhone that is linked with this Apple Watch, and then go to the collections, then to media types, then screenshots, and the last taken screenshot is the screenshot that you took using your Apple Watch. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.